Hi everyone! Last week, our Duckman Barry was in the hospital, so this week he's...
I work like a man.
What did he say?
Welcome everyone, this is the original Al Duckman Barry, and today we're on Route 34, where we tackle the leak from a while back. So, let's get to it.
Okay. So I have no idea what the hell this thing is. And then it goes to a cable, and then it buries itself under there. And obviously, I disconnected this from there. I guess that's one motor. Okay. The other motor is connected. Okay. I think that was up there. And this other one is down here. And now, I have no idea how to disconnect these other than cutting them, but they gotta come out. Now, I'm also looking at this, whatever the hell this is, because it comes from back there, into here, into the dash. Why is it mounted this way? Don't know. But, to look underneath, I found that insanity. And that is a rat's nest, so I'm going to clean that up.
Now this is really important. When you're cleaning out rat's nests and other kind of animal crap, wear gloves, cover your face or whatever. I mean, if there was a time to do it with all the corona stuff happening now, this is it.
Alright, so that's what it looks like. Underneath. So it's just that one cable there. Alright. Putting that back temporarily. And we're going to disconnect. It's pretty dark there, so you're not going to see unless I do this. So we're going to disconnect these two red cables. Possibly this blue one.
And one thing you always got to remember is mark the cables whenever you're disconnecting them. You can use little post-its like these, you know. I actually like these little ones. Stick it out, put it around the wire, or even just regular Scotch tape, permanent marker on it, and you can write where everything goes. Obviously the best method is taking pictures. Also video works as well because you can get an explanation, and that's what you're going to see here. This is also a video for you guys, but it's also for me too when I'm going to be reviewing this, because it's going to take a while for me to resolve what's coming next.
Okay, so this blue one here goes into this white one, into this big cable. Alright, this one had that green, so it's going to be a black going into a green and red, and this beige go into a brown, because I'm going to just cut these up. I don't know if I can undo these pigtails. They are really rough the way they were done. Right, maybe. Oh, for the love of God, come on, get out of there. Okay, that's one of them done. And this one, so that removes that, which is due for cleaning. These two things are going to go inside. Now, the reason why I'm pulling all this crap out is so I can get to this monster. But, as usual, it's not going to be an easy job, because That, you see, is a nut plate, as is this one right here. There you can see it better. So the screw goes in from the other end, and I have access to that here. Again, if you can see it. Whatever. Oh, get the rat shit out. Maybe this will come out. Okay, so we're gonna start taking hoses off. So I have no idea what the hell's going on here. There's lines going and coming, and this is just one big loop. So why is it doing that? Beats me. Alright. You're gonna have to forgive this sound, but there's some sort of infrared or whatever light whenever the camera focuses, and that's just so I can see better for my own records, because this is a freaking mess of spaghetti. I'd like to take these out and recondition them as well, the fans. Okay, so we removed the one that went here, because it goes through here, which you can see from the outside, and then it comes back through here. But since this is a pain in the butt, it is stuck. I'm just gonna cut it, okay? Because this is going right back out, which I don't know why. So I'll be back in a bit. I gotta get dirty. Okay, so now, if I remember, this was connected to one of the controls or the fan or something. But then they left this thing, which went through that hole, if you remember, then came out through this side, through that hole. So I pulled it all out, and this is where it goes to. Nothing. Why not just cut it then? What the Romanian workmanship. Gotta love it. So, check this out. That was in there. This thing went through there. And there's this thing. It ain't a sponge. I don't know what the hell it is. It's hard. Okay, any of you guys know? Weird. Hallelujah. So, we got the heater core out. Alright. That is pretty bad. So, we'll see if this can be salvaged. If not, I'll just replace it. I'll find something. That's what it looks like. And that's why they cut the hole in the hood, so it blows over for cool air, or so I think. And we will test the fans in place with when it gets a little warmer. But for now, I got enough stuff to do inside, as in indoors. Also, again, reminder, what is that? I thought it was a handle, but apparently it's some sort of resistor coil or something. Weirdness. Alright, gotta go inside, take a shower. Just a reminder, These are for the main outside grill, and these 3 are for the control panel. One was missing. Obviously they got to be replaced. In case I'm wondering, the lens came from here. Fell on my head. Hit a pothole, fell on my head, and it cracked.
So there you have it. It took me, actually it took me a long time to get some of those hoses out. You don't see that because I didn't have anywhere to put the tripod. It's very cramped in the cabin. So managed to get that out. I took the measurements. I'm going to be looking for a replacement. And right now it's been raining for the last 3 days. Raining, snowing, so I didn't really feel like going out. Plus I worked on the Ranchero. What I do plan on doing is revamping the entire coolant system, crawling under the bus, ripping up everything that's original hosing there. Not original, it's been replaced, but it's rotted out. Check the radiator, the fan, everything, basically to ensure this thing never overheats, because it's really hot in Arizona, and you know. And from there, where oh god, the electrical system, it's freaking. Who says Italians are the only ones that make spaghetti? Yeah, this is Romanian spaghetti. So sign up for BitChute, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, sign up for damn account already. If you want to also support the channel, get yourself the hoodies, the t-shirts. I will be canceling one of the t-shirts, the older model, so if you want to get it, now's the time. That's one way to support the channel. You can always buy the novel, Starboard Maiden. It's a good novel. And hey, if you're feeling really generous, we have a Subscribe Star account. So this is Aldackman Barry, and I hope you have a great ride.
What the hell happened? Did my Crown Vic just take a dump? What the hell, car? Seriously?